Hello everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Kieran and I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to dive into Microsoft Copilot in Excel, which me and Ishan think is a revolutionary tool that will transform many companies to be more efficient in the years to come. At the end of this episode, you should have a better understanding on how to utilize Copilot in Excel to analyze data quicker and more effectively. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you a few examples of me transferring my data in this sales Excel file with the use of Copilot. Before we begin, it is to be noted that Copilot is still in preview mode, so it can only be used on data that you turn into a table. So this data set, I have already transformed it into a table so it's ready for us to use, which can be done by clicking Format as Table at the top here. Okay, so we have about 60,000 rows of data in this sheet with sales metrics, as you can see at the top, such as date, price, cost, quantity, and profit. On the right side here, Copilot gives us the option to add formula columns, highlight, sort and filter, and analyze. It also gives some suggestions on some insightful information that it can find automatically that will possibly be useful. Now I will start with something simple and prompt Copilot to calculate the profit being made daily. After a few seconds, there you have it. It creates the formula for this calculation and allows me to insert it as a column. Easy enough, right? But let's now go deeper into this data and ask it to create a column that calculates what the profit would be in 2 years at a 5% yearly interest rate. Let's wait a few seconds, and there you have it. See how Copilot provides the formula, and now I can insert this column. I think this tool is amazing, especially in scenarios that an analyst or employee is not sure about how to create a formula to find specific data. Becoming a master at prompting this tool is the key to maximizing its potential. As you saw in that example, it basically has the capability to formulate a calculation tailored to whatever you're looking for. Now for this next example, let's get into plotting and making graphs, which every company needs. We can always prompt Copilot to create a chart of our choice. But a key feature that I thought was fascinating was its ability to come up with its own by just clicking Show Data Insights. With this feature, it pivots the data itself and creates resourceful analytics that can be utilized within financial reporting. Lastly, I can filter the data to tell it to show me the top 10 most profitable days and highlight the more profitable day. After a few seconds, the data is filtered to my liking, and I don't have to worry about playing with the tools to find what I'm looking for. Ishan and I believe Copilot is going to be utilized in every company sooner or later due to its advanced functions within the Microsoft suite, which over 1 million companies use currently. These tools can genuinely make an analyst or a company way more efficient and creative with their financial analysis, so it's a great tool to start learning while it's new. Obviously, there are a lot more advanced uses of Copilot Pro, but we hope you have a basic understanding of what you can do with Copilot in Excel. In the next episode, we're going to continue with Copilot in the Microsoft suite. We hope you enjoyed today's video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.